Hello, how to obtain your OpenAI key in free account, in your created free account on ChatGPT for applying AI features in your programming. So how to obtain? Follow me in this video to know how to obtain your API key. It's very important for applying features of AI, artificial intelligence, in your programming in Python, in JavaScript, in any language you are working or professional in. Follow me in this video to know how to do this. Before we are going, please subscribe to the channel to reach every new and important and useful videos we upload in the channel. Let's go. First of all, you have to this link I will put in the description. You will log in using your AI OpenAI or ChatGPT account, and then you will be transferred to this. Then this is your name here, and then create new secret key اللي هو API keys. Press here. This also I will put in the description. So create new secret key, and here create new secret key, name optional. My test key, you can write any key. Okay, and then create secret key, and then you will get the key and use it in your programming, such these programs here. This program, it needs API, OpenAI key. You will put the key here and start import this library for OpenAI, and then start your programming. So you will automate artificial intelligence inside your program. You need to be online. When you execute your program, you should be online and to be communicated to your ChatGPT account through your OpenAI key. You will paste here in your program and then execute your program or generate your executable file of this program in Python, in Java, in JavaScript, in C, in C#, in any programming language that it can be used the OpenAI key. Let's go here. If there is any question, ask and I will reply you. Subscribe to the channel, as I said, press like, and share the video for others for useful this video. Thanks for watching.